Hey, we rock the day to this. The day to this. We rock the day to this. The day to this. Day this. We rock the day to this. Oh shoot. Oh. Damn. Hold up, YouTube. Oh, I ain't even know I was recording. Hold up. YouTube, man, it's your guy. It's your freaking guy, man. It's your boy, man. Cash Fix It. Back with another entertaining video, man. Cause Cash is gonna fix it. Cash is gonna build it. Cash is gonna make it happen, guys. Yeah. No, y'all, what's up with the YouTube, man? It's your boy, man. Cash 1222, man. Hey, look. Today, we about to day to this. I don't know why that's stuck in my head, y'all. But today we about to get this motor up out of here, man. I already unhooked the trans from the back, so it should be kind of easy. We just probably have to make sure everything's unconnected. We already unhooked the thing, the radiator, AC condenser fan. We about to probably take some of this stuff off. We about to duplicate it, No, I'm talking. Hey, yo, let's get into the video, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you notify every time we drop a video, man. Thank y'all for 10K. We going up. We probably been past 10K by now, but still, thank y'all, man. I love y'all, man. My day ones. We still got to come up with a concept, a color, y'all. But go on and drop the intro. We're going to get into that, y'all, but go on and drop the intro, y'all. Alright, y'all. Let's see what we're doing. Let's see what they do to this. First, you got to take this engine cover off. Engine cover, mass airflow. We got to see what all we about to have to move out the way. But we just about to start taking a bunch of stuff out the way. I never took out no motor. I know Durango, never. I might have dropped the frame on it with the motor, but I never just took the motor out separately. So this is my first time, y'all. Y'all doing my first time with me. I never swapped the Durango, none of that, ever a day in my life. This is my first time, y'all. I ain't gonna say doing swaps on the car easy, but you gotta have patience. You gotta be able to remember, and you gotta be ready to learn. That's all I'm saying. It's kind of cool right now too, y'all. I'm finna get it because it's kind of cool before this heat pick up and start going crazy. For real. It's jumped up off here. Gotta unhook that plug off there. Unhook this off here. You about to try to take the whole thing out. For real. That's unhooked over there. Got it. We rock the day to this. Well, I'm about to start posting some of this stuff for sale anyway. Like, I'm about to post some little parts. Come get whatever y'all need. Motor, trans. I mean, the engine A1, we know that, but yeah. If y'all know somebody that need one, they probably be gone by the time this video drops, y'all. I ain't gonna lie, these people hungry out here. We about to unhook this windshield wiper with 215s, y'all, up there, and get this piece up out the way. But I'm pretty sure we're gonna have to get back there. We might have to get back there and unhook something, but it's like it's some hoses back there, y'all. I don't know what engine mount's holding this junk up because it's an all-wheel drive. I don't know, y'all. We about to try our best, man. We about to try our best. We're gonna hook these windshield wipers. Hey, y'all, we gotta come up with some colors where we gonna paint this car. I mean, where we gonna get this car, what color we gonna get this car painted in the 300, y'all. We gonna see, cause we gonna have them like matching colors, you feel me? I don't know why I decided to keep. Everybody was saying, nah, bro, you better keep that mug and all that junk. So I changed my mind. I was like, I'm gonna keep it. Cause that trans junk be irritating, bro. Nobody wanna keep going through no problems like that. Keep on having to change transes and you know dang well you done got you a new trans and This trans A1. Like, bro, cars be frustrating, y'all, for real. Y'all can't wait. The motherfucking fall finna come. I love fall season. For real. Unhooking these brackets. Then this off. Okay, bet. I think I had took this off before, y'all. I might have was fixing something back here, or it was the reason I took that off, though, for sure. I kind of had a flashback. Y'all know how the cooling lines be popping, bro. Them must catch you off guard. Even if you done did this 1,000 times, they still catch you off guard. Long ass damn, this motherfucking thing go to everything.
I can't believe I believed everything we had was less. So young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of one day having your kids. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. I can't believe I fell for your schemes. I'm smarter than that. Dumb and naive to believe that with me you're a changed man. Foolish of me to compete when you cheat with loose women. It took me some time, but now I'm moved on. Because I realize I've got myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Controlling and you say that you love me, but you don't. Your family told me one day I would see it on my own.
Bro, that's gonna take all day. I'm about to try to put some extensions, hook some extensions up with some elbows, see if we can get down in there and get it on there. So I got the extensions, y'all. Stuck it in there and got it on there too. Like, it ain't even turning though. Since this one right here was getting stuck, it was actually a bolt down there, so I unscrewed that. It was a 13. I'm about to see if we can get it out. See if it come out and get out the way now. Damn.
So blind it feels right when it's wrong. Now that it's over, stop calling me. Come pick up your clothes. Ain't no need to front like you're still with me. All your homies know. Even your very best friend tried to warn me on the low. Took me some time, but now I am strong. Because I realize I've got myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Got me, myself, and I know that I will never disappoint myself. All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. I'm sitting with you. Yeah, you hurt me, but I learned a lot along the way. After all the rain, you'll see there's something out again. Myself, I know that I will never disappoint myself. I'm crying. All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out.
But I'll show y'all how you about to pop this axle out. Alright, child, so what I did, I ended up hitting this piece up here with the hammer. Boom, that popped out. Got this right here. And I started hitting that right there, the little screw that was down there. Start hitting that out in there. Y'all, I'm about to show y'all the axle better. We about trying to get this long ass axle up out of here. So look, y'all, this is what I did. Stuck the pry bar down in there like that. See that? Y'all see it? Popped it right out. Now we gotta do the other axle, y'all.
Tell me, fellas, have you seen her? It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen the hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo, tell the girls I wanna meet her. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper. Spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time. She's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time. She's out the door, I gotta go for mine.
Y'all remember on the 300, this is the side that was acting like it ain't want to come out, for real. Got it. Got it. Did have a better angle here than on the 300. For real. See that mud? Got it up out of there. Out of there, Z's. Now we gotta find our way to the motor mounts, y'all. Now I don't know if this is how we supposed to do it or whatever the case is. Let me see, make sure y'all can see it. For real. Down up in here. Down there. I'm gonna show y'all which boat that I actually screwed off too, y'all. Oh, I dropped the boat. Now we can go get this hoist. Get this mug up out of here. I can't find no seatbelts and stuff, y'all.
So they grab hold of my hand and let's pretend the flow was ours. They say you don't really dance. Just one, two step. Now with the music is moving too fast. Now my head a little tired. Don't be afraid to move a little closer. Girl, there's something about you that makes me wanna say and I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say how I love to keep you here with me, you baby. I think I'll say yeah. I don't know your name, but excuse me, miss. I saw you from across the room, and I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say yeah.
Got it out, y'all. Yes, ma'am.
How I love to keep you here with me, you baby. I wanna be
There we go. And I'm hungry. I'm hungry, y'all. I'm hungry. And I'm done with this video. Shit took all day. But we did it, y'all. Got that motor out. Now we gotta drop this K-frame with all this stuff up in here. Y'all see how I took the motor mounts out? I took the bolt that was at the top out. Instead of trying to get them ones down in there, the 15s, it's a 15 up top, take that out, get it out. And it was actually kind of easy. It wasn't even tight to where I had to break it. It screwed off easy. It wasn't even that hard. For real. Now we got to get the rest of this stuff up out of here. Yep. All the rest of this stuff. So stay tuned for next video, man. I love y'all, gang. I love y'all, man. And make sure y'all like, comment, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you be notified every time I drop a new video. Man, about to get these cars on the road, man. We gonna look back at this like, dang, he done built all of them. I ain't building no more after this, y'all. It gotta be something crazy. Dodge gotta send me something crazy or something before I get back out there working like this, y'all, cause whoo, man, I don't know. I don't know, y'all. This a lot. But I love y'all, man. And thanks for watching the video, man. And I'll be right back with y'all.